They have nuclear capabilities? Yes. They're making explosives? Yes. Don't they understand the danger? I don't know. Is that some type of bird covered in crude oil? Yes. Are they not aware of the environmental damage that's created when accidents like these are not controlled and repaired? I don't know. These are hungry children. Don't they have the resources to feed everyone? Yes, they are capable of feeding everyone on the planet. Why is anyone still hungry? I don't know. This person is living outside of any personal enclosure. Do some of them choose to live that way? Yes, usually because of mental health issues. They have the resources to house everyone, yes? Yes. Why isn't help provided? I don't know. There is continued aggressive conflict. Yes. They're very warlike and barbaric. Yes. Do you think that we should be revealing ourselves at this time? I don't know, but they might.